Normally when we talk about Covercraft products, we're doing a video with a car in the background with one of their high quality car covers already installed on it. But they also protect the inside of your car. And today we're going to show you a hot new product for your F-150. So Bob, normally when you're here, you're telling us about a car cover, but now we're on the inside of the car. What do we got going on today?
So what we have here is our new precision fit seat covers from Covercraft with the Cordura material.
They feel like a Carhartt jacket. I mean, it feels like my jacket that I wear in the wintertime.
Absolutely. So this is a licensed Carhartt material. It comes with the Carhartt logo, the triple stitched main seams. We also have a rear back seat pocket, and it comes with a Cordura nylon material, which is very, very resistant.
So it's water resistant, scratch resistant, rip resistant. I mean, this is pretty much as hardcore as Carhartt clothing, I'm assuming.
It is. Very much so.
Now, is this available in different colors, or is it going to be, is it black only? I mean, what else do you have available here?
So right here, this is our black Carhartt Super Dux material,
okay,
which is the Cordura material.
Okay.
Then we also have brown and gravel, which is in the duck weave, which is just like the Carhartt clothing.
Okay, so again, that was like the original style, but now this is kind of like the latest and greatest from Carhartt.
Absolutely.
Now, are these going to be available for some other vehicles? I mean, Jeep, cars, anything like that? Are you kind of sticking to the F-150 for now?
So with the precision fit seat covers, Bill, we have them for trucks, SUVs, and cars.
Okay, and Jeep coming at some point maybe?
We have the Jeep currently, yes.
So Bob, tell us a little bit about the fitment of these seat covers. And obviously we got front seat, back seat, but I see we got headrest and console too.
So Bill, how we sell the seat covers are by row. So with the front seats, there's a number of different configurations. Bucket seats, 40-20-40, 60-40. And what we've done was we included headrests, we also included console covers, and we also included the armrests. And what we also have is if you have airbags, you know, we use breakaway thread.
That was my next question.
Design.
How does it work with the airbags?
Yep. So you don't have to be concerned that you'd lose any safety with the airbags. The other issue people have is with the heated seats, cooled seats, the coolant and the heated seats still work with our seat
So basically
covers.
your seat will function exactly like it should, but you have that extra protection.
Now you have the extra protection with the precision fit, which looks like a overlay.
So if you guys are driving a new F-150, and obviously people who drive these trucks, a lot of them hopefully use them as a truck, you're looking for some extra protection, these Carhartt covers from Covercraft are an excellent choice.